So over here, you can see that I got a table and you can see that I got some data in a certain order. Actually, the order is random. And if you want to sort out the data according to the content you have in the field, then you can easily do that by going on and by clicking on the field. And over here on home, you can see the ascending and descending order. So if I were to click on member ID, you can see that it is enabled. For name, it is not available right here. So I'm going to go to member ID right here. So if I were to click on ascending right here, so it is in ascending order according to the alphabet and numbers right here. Similarly, you can go around and set it as descending order as well, and you can see that the ID gets sorted out just like that over here. You can also go around over here, click on the little arrow right here to sort it out from A to Z or Z to A, as you can see right here. And for numbers as well, you can sort to A to Z. So what actually happens is that it takes the number range right here. So if I were to sort it from A to Z, it actually sorts it from 1 to 9 right here. And similarly, it sorts itself from 9 to 1. So similarly, you can go around with the A's as well. So smallest to largest or largest to smallest, as you can see. And for enrollment date, it can be newest to oldest, oldest to newest, or newest to oldest, as you can see. And similarly, according to the field, the sorting may be available or not available. And that is how you can sort out data inside of an Access database table. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.